Welcome back to Azeem USA. Today, we're taking a hard look at what happens when you cram premium processing into an entry-level frame. Before we unpack this, if you appreciate these deep dives, hit that super chat, drop a super thanks, or join as a channel member to keep us testing the tech you want to see. We're putting the 2025 LG UHD AI UA77 4K Smart TV under the microscope. LG is positioning this display very aggressively. Specifically, the 55-inch model is sitting right at $299. Looking at the spec sheet banner, you can see the lineup scales all the way from 86 inches down to 43. But that 55-inch model hits a very specific value sweet spot for the price. Usually, buying a sub-$300 television means accepting the budget TV curse. Out of the box, it's fine, but 6 months later, the menus lag, apps crash, and the interface feels like it's wading through molasses. The second compromise is almost always the silicon. Cheap TVs typically use bare-bones processors that struggle to clean up regular 1080p cable feeds, leaving you with a soft, blocky picture. LG is trying a different strategy here. They've dropped an advanced, high-tier AI processor right into an entry-level chassis. So this TV becomes the ultimate test of brains over brawn. We need to find out if high-end processing can compensate for basic physical hardware, and whether that specific trade-off matches how you actually watch TV. This spec sheet highlights exactly what's running the show, the Alpha 7 Gen 8 AI processor. This is the brains of the operation. Right below that, you see the direct result of that chip, 4K super upscaling. When you feed this TV an older, non-4K signal, the processor analyzes and sharpens the image to make it look native. It also drives dynamic tone mapping, which actively analyzes the screen and balances the HDR lighting in real time to squeeze every ounce of brightness out of the display. But processing can only go so far when it hits the physical hardware wall. Moving up to the panel section, we see the backlight is a standard direct lit LED, and right below that, the screen is capped at a native 60 Hz refresh rate. Here is what that translates to in your living room. The software does a fantastic job rendering crisp lines and bright highlights. But because the physical LED backlight lacks local dimming zones, the dark areas of the screen will look slightly gray rather than perfectly black. If you watch dark, moody movies in a pitch-black room and demand perfect contrast, you will need to spend the extra cash on an OLED or mini LED panel. The UA77 is essentially a basic screen being pushed to its absolute limits by a heavy lifting processor. It succeeds remarkably well at clarity and color, but it simply cannot manufacture contrast that the hardware doesn't physically support. Looking at the Smart TV section of the specs, we find the operating system, WebOS 25. LG boxed this with their Renew program, which guarantees 5 years of software updates. Getting that kind of support lifecycle on a budget TV is incredibly rare, and it directly fights off that interface lag we talked about earlier. It also includes LG channels right out of the box, giving you instant, free access to over 350 streaming networks. Because the internal processor handles the robust software ecosystem easily, you won't need to plug in an external Roku or Fire Stick to keep the menus snappy. Shifting up to the gaming specs, the TV includes Auto Low Latency mode, which automatically drops input lag the second you boot up a console. It also supports variable refresh rate, ensuring your games don't suffer from screen tearing during camera pans. But here is the critical bottleneck for players. That VRR is strictly capped at 60 Hz, matching the native panel speed. In practice, this means you get a smooth, responsive experience for casual, narrative-driven RPGs on your PS5 or Xbox Series X. However, if you are grinding high frame rate competitive shooters like Call of Duty, a 60 Hz ceiling is simply too slow. Ultimately, the UA77 provides premium software longevity and perfectly adequate tools for casual gaming. It deliberately sacrifices the 120 Hz power user specs to hit that $299 price point. Let's put this all together and figure out if the specific hardware profile actually fits your living room. First, the hardcore gamer. This is an immediate pass. If your muscle memory relies on the split-second response times of a 120 Hz panel, you need to save up for a display built for competitive play. Next, the budget cinephile. This is also a skip. If you watch movies in a dedicated darkroom, the lack of local dimming on a direct lit LED panel leaves letterbox bars looking slightly gray, breaking the immersion of a home theater setup. But then we have the casual streamer, or anyone buying for a secondary room. For this buyer, the advanced AI upscaling handles standard cable boxes beautifully, and the 5-year software guarantee means you won't be dealing with a frustrating, frozen interface a year from now. For $299, you are getting an entry-level screen driven by a premium brain, a budget smart TV that actually stays smart. Thank you for trusting us with your tech decisions and tuning in to Azeem USA. If you want to check out this awesome TV, make sure to click the Buy Now link in the description below.